Usugele emalwandle angisho ukuthi abantu abangajoli emsebenzini kodwa mina okwehlele mina ngokujola emsebenzini ngokuxoxela amagwaba bechobana kodwa ngebhadi amagwaba abangawathulanga ngithole wena malwandle nama story times wakho awubiza ama life graduates asondela azohlala phansi ngoba hey kudala ngishisa ngisaba ukisho ngifihla ngingaveli ngisho nangonwele.
Hello, sanibona Dumelang igama uZandi isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zanihambela lekude phezulu. It's a story time. Do join.
It's a story. Indaba zenu ziyangishisa futhi mina ngishilo ukuthi indaba zenu sezizongithatha manje ziyongifaka nje straight. Yabona kula room enabantu abangathanga qhwi emakhanda abanezifo ezithephecelezi o depression o stress ngidinga therapy. Wena ngalesikhathi mina ngisacabanga ukuthi therapy ngizoyithola kephi kanjani. Like, subscribe, comment, share ngoba yazi yini ngiyayidinga futhi nokuthi ube yi-channel member. Yabo ungagcini ngosubscribe iba i-channel member ngiphe la 20 rand per month ayikhule lento because ngifuna ukufaka ama benefits alaba bantu because nice things are coming and we are on the fourth floor now. Yabo manje ama subscribers wami akwi age yami they are on the fourth floor like 4,200 and something ku 50k. I've got something very very nice for people abangithandile abangisupportile abakhomentayo yeah ibambe lapha. Uthi girl malwandle I'm a very quiet person. I'm a very grounded person. Strict nje when it comes to everything that you can think of. I am grounded in relationships. I am grounded in religion. I am uthi nje ngumuntu nje oqondile ophila nje impilo eqondile. Yabona labo bantu abaphila impilo eqondile. Uthi malwandle yebo angifuni ukungasho ukuthi ngashada. Ngangisemncane kakhulu mangishada uma ngishada ngina 25 years only kwenzeka inkosi yami ukuthi okwabonwa abantu emshadweni by the time I was 29 already kwakungase kuhle by the time I'm 30 ngase ngidivorce nomina uthi from that time onwards ngangifocused lenhlobo yokuthi uthi malwandle bengifocused I would bury myself into my work. I would bury myself into my books. Uthi ngumuntu okhonzile ukufunda nje I'm always studying towards something. So uthi kwenzeke kufika lesi sikhathi ke sokuthi ke ube kule environment uzugcina ube comfortable emsebenzini. Uthi at the time I'm like 2-3 years in this company. I'm working ngiyawaqoqa ama awards ayindaba yokuthi ngiyawaqoqa ama awards malwandle and ngiyawaqoqisa no employee of the month babuzwa kumina because I mean like that's the only thing I'm focusing on. I only have one girl ezihlalela nomama emakhaya so ngifree ngalendlela ukuthi uma ungena mjolo nkosami uyawazi ukuthi uvela ube free ngoba phela egcina ngosuku who are you entertaining. So indlela mina bengiz entertainer ngayo ukuthi ngifunde ngibe focused nokuthi nje ngibe buried into my work. Uthi ngikulo mkhakha wonjiniyela uthi uyazi ke lapha kusetshenzwa ngama projects. It's uma ngabe sekuthiwa izinto zishushu ngempela is projects after another projects after, and if you are leading the projects nemali nebonus imane ithi mani 8 uthi so ngilapho ke kuloso situation malandi uthi sihambe isikhathi kuze kufike another guy apparently this guy uma kafika emsebenzini is working on another department is leading projects zakwenye department but umsebenzi wethu nje uhleze ucollide like this kuyenzeka ukuthi kuba amangabe kwama main meetings alo department esebenza kuyona uthola ukuthi naye ukhona kulo ma meetings uthi hayi malwandle uMogai is a nice guy mina ngidivorce ngithi uthi uMogai kuze khambe kufikele isikhathi whereby I find out ukuthi now Mogai is a divorcee ×2. He's been married before naye emncane njengami and then kwahamba wagcina eshadile again. Umesho ke from what I gathered from him ukuthi on the second marriage he's still married but it's just that separated and iningi into nje ayixoxa but kwasho ukuthi I'm not even paying attention because I don't have interest on this guy but kwahamba lo guy wagcina umngani wami mayigcina umngani wami uMogai. Uyabona Mosi mina ngikhulele a situation where my brothers are quite older than me so I could not relate. So this guy figure life in we ended up becoming like friends in a way ukuthi you know the situation where somebody even when you on a tire punch awusafoneli ngoku insurance you know ukuthi there's somebody that you can call yes ban come through man nginenkinga la hey ama brakes amayakhala hey come through nginenkinga uthi we ended up in that situation and no more guy uyangazi ukuthi ngiphila impiloni uyangazi ngumuntu ozithandazela inkosi yami uyangazi ngumuntu oziphilela impilo straight uyangazi nje yonke inhlobo yempilo engiyiphilayo And I suspect Malwandle ukuthi inkinga yaqala lapho ngoba kusho ukuthi vele wagcine nomona ngobumina hayi ngoba he wanted me in his life, because this guy wayekusho ama red flags were all over, wayekusho in so many ways ukuthi as much as waba hate and so nje he doesn't want a relationship anymore, akafune kubona umuntu wesifazane. Uthi wayesho izinto ezimbi ngabantu besifazane to a point ukuthi ngangize ngithi wena ulimele kahle kahle. Inkinga ukuthi wena ulimele hayi ngoba na kusho zonke lento ozishoyo ngoba uziminisha, but nje ukulimazile ukuthi ube i-return soldier times 2. Awuzama ukuthi uzibheke nawe mhlawumbe uattend ama therapy yabona nje something like that. Uthi kodwa uMogai angangi-entertain. Uthi Malwandle kwenzeke ngesinye isikhathi ke kufikelele isikhathi ke emsebenzini ke uthi Malwandle yazi le story asikho start into ya last year le njengoba ku 2026 into ya 2025 le. Uthi last year Malwandle November kunama awards emsebenzini and ngiyazi ukuthi ngibaqoqode ngabaqeda and anginayo +1. Uthi nje ngim-approach ngithi ngicela ube plus of be my official +1 on the awards night that day, because naye I had noticed earlier on the previous year ngoba yena wafika after me mhlambe mina bese ngimazi 2.5 to 3 years and mina bese ngenkampanini there back then mhlambe 3 years or so. Naye bese ngiqaphelile ukuthi each and every time kunama events aformal emsebenzini uzirokhela uMogai nje just rocks up alone. So ngathi you know Sibani, I've noticed ukuthi when there are these events emsebenzini you rock up alone. Now I'm single, so now you rocked up alone. So if you don't have a official partner this year, ngicela ukuthi ube ipartner yami. And uyabona emqondo nami nginalento ukuthi manje ngiyolanda ama awards ami nginalo umuntu ozongibamba ngesandla. I walk up now to the down the aisle up to the stage afike nje yabo nginalo into leyo umqondo wami awukho nasentweni es10 ngoba vele abafana ngiyabesaba vele at this point. Ngeke ngazama ngapha uBen 10 ngathi 1 ngathi 2 kwacaca ukuthi uBen 10 is just after money ngashiya kanjalo ngoba phela ngangithi ngifuna ukuservice lo ngoba uyamazi ukuthi akave ngahlaliseki mase shaya ama hazard non stop. Ngangithi nje ngifuna ukuservice lo ngifuna into eserious. uBen 10 wangixaka ngathi hayi sala Benzozo angilungi la uthi ngagcina ngisingle in that manner ke. So lo guy wami friend wami colleague yami siyezwana siyayixoxa lezi zinto uya understand yonke le nto nje yabo siloyo zinto nje as like emsebenzini, even ngisho emsebenzini to a point ukuthi even ngisho emsebenzini people thought at some point ukuthi we are actually dating when we were actually not dating. But ke sangabanaka ngoba phela uyazi ke emsebenzini each and every work environment abantu bayakhuluma. Uthi ayike Malwandle ngimcele kuMogai avuma uMogai ukuthi uzoba +1 wami sihambe siye kwi-event leyo, and that event was last year November 14 in 2025. Uthi size siplane Malwandle siplana ama colors vele color of the night was gold and black. So ngize ngimkhombise nami ngiyothungisa ingubo yami izoba gold, everything is going to be gold and everything, and naye angikhombisa ukuthi I know I'm going to wear like this so that like I'm not out of the color of the day, and I just want something that is gonna be a little bit matching of what you're gonna be wearing. Uthi Malwandle, it was an exciting night. I haven't been out with a guy in a long time. Uthi uyayibona nje la moment and ingqondo yami vele ayikho nje kuthena ukuthi yabo kodwa ke uthi sihambe isikhathi Malwandle buhamba ubusuku Malwandle. The event was beautiful, food was nice. Uthi I'm a foodie, ngiyazithandela ukudla. Mangiye ku-event nje into emqoka kumina ukudla ngoba vele ngisuke ngazi ukuthi lokho kuyoqoqa lapho kusama awards nyana nama checks nyana wakhona vele okwami. So the cherry on top is going to be food. Uthi food was delicious. Uthi sifike noMogai, masifika Nkosi yami is a gentleman, ungibambe ngesandla, we walking down the red carpet. But uthi uMogai asho ukuthi lalela ukushutha kona sizoshutha kodwa I just want you to understand ukuthi ukushutha kwethu angifuni ukuthi kujeopardize ukuthi mina njengamanje I'm on the plans ukuthi ngithathe umfana wami mesho ukuthi unomfana ona 13 years, ngithathe umfana wami ona 13 years abuya azohlala nami. So if these pictures can be shown on social media, they might jeopardize those chances. Uthi nginga understand ukuthi ukhuluma ngani ngoba phela mina I'm not even into ukuthi kungaze kube njani. Uthi ngivume nje in passing ngiphume kuyena. Uthi ayike Malwandle ke fike i-night leyo kudla kube mnandi and everything buhamba ubusuku. Uthi Malwandle one thing led to another. Mangabe sekufanele uthi mina ngihlala kude ke nalawo guy ahlala khona na kusho ukuthi indlela yethu iphela la hlala khona yena kuqala. Uthi makuphela indlela yethu ke manje akusavumi ke manje ukuthi uMogai agoduke. Yithi mina hayi asivele sihambe siyopaka ngasolwandle just watch ulwandle nje sichile lapho because now usafuna ukudilika emotweni yami mina ngifuna ukuhamba ngiyolala wena uhlele emotweni yami ubhizi uyakhuluma and angazi kufanele ngenzeni uthi bagcina ke behamba beyopaka in front of beach front ke bebukulwandle bexoxa imalande sagcina sixoxa one thing led to another. We were not even drunk for that matter. Inkampani esisebenzisela inzelayo nje ayingeni nje indaba utshwala at all mangabe kunama awards ntontontoni or kunama Christmas lunch and what not. Abayingeni indaba utshwala is a serious company nje engayi entertain to utshwala. Uthi we were not even drunk or anything like that. We were so passes the ukudla kunormal saziphuzela ama soft drinks. Uthi but one thing led to another. That conversation Marandla was so beautiful. It ended up inspiring a kiss. We kissed and ekubuzaneni kwethu we ended up mina ke sengirelax sengikhumbule necathulo sesithatha my locks along the beach uyayibona leya walk along the uthi ngiyabona ke Marandla inkinga zami zaqala lapha kuleya walk along the beach ngoba Malwandle ngiyeza no part 2 azange ngagileka kanje with just a walk along the beach Malwandle sacabuzana nomfana uthi masicabuzana nomfana uthi ingqondo yami yayididekile ngangikhona no man this is my friend, this is my guy, this is my nigga intwana yami le kanjani manje lo muntu lo is my backup plan whenever ngifola into I know who to call now manje mengabe sengiyimosha le situationship your friendship yethu what is going to happen uthi Malwandle by the time I'm driving going back home mhlambe kwakuyoshaya 2-3 ezintatha umogayi sengimdrophile la hlala khona I'm driving going home mangifika nje endlini uyafona umogayi uthilalela the kiss that happened at night was not a mistake ngenye uthi uyabazi bese beqamba amanga Malandle besofnisha uthi that kiss was not a mistake the kiss yena kade ayilangazelela kwathini kodwa ke ucela ukuthi ngilale uthi Malandle asilalanga that night wathi meka qeda ukudropa lo call ngahamba ngangena ebathroom ngageza ngathi ngidinga a cold shower right now ngidinga ukuphola ngipholise nengqondo because angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kuza kanjani sengizithola lami senginalo muzwa ngomngani wami uthi Malwandle ke ngithe mangithi ngibuyela embedeni awu kunentululwane yama messages from umogayi uyakhuluma uthi Malwandle sakhuluma kwaze kwasa heke 6, 7, 8 uthi kwaze wasa sikhuluma uthi the event was on a Friday and now it's a Saturday morning uthi sakhuluma up until a point la athi khona let me go for my run uthi lezi ke ezigijimayo komuntu wakhe ke lo yamuntu engazi ke manje benzana njengamanje uzoyizwa indaba mayihamba ikhamba kwesikhathi uthi Malwandle Monday morning I made sure ukuthi ngiyam avoid ngayo yonke indlela because now ingqondo yami singitshela ukuthi mhlambe udidwe ubukhazikhazi be-event nokuthi besifanelana kanjani ngesikhathi simeshile mhlambe ikhona into ezoshintsha because angi-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani la uthi hey Malwandle ngam-avoid umuntu ngithe ngisam-avoid umuntu kuthi emakushaya unqe isikhathi sokugoduka umuntu wabe sema-parking kuqala mangifika ema-parking imoto yakhe useyihambisile ngelunch yena ngoba phela uhlala eduze kwasemsebenzi usegijima wahambisa imoto yakhe ngelunch usefolde izandla umuntu eduze kwemoto yami uthi hayi Malwandle ngavele ngathatha isikhe ngamjikijelela sonke hayi akadriveke ngoba phela naku sezi-invitile uninvited hayi uthi nangempela ke sihambe ke uthi enza the same thing isihambe siyopaka ngasebishi ke uthi hayi ke aqale umogayi ashila athi hayi ke yabona ke lento enzeke izolo enzeke Friday night it was not a mistake wathini mina nje vele wathi uthi uyabazi bese besigoqa besiqambela amanga. There was the same story ke sengiyagoqa ke manje ngiqanjelwa amanga ke manje ukuthi umuntu kade ngithanda ke manje ukuthi umuntu kade ngingcosile ke manje ukuthi umuntu kade ngibuka ke manje ngengengengengengen uthi yayiningi uthi Malwandle ke one thing led to another because by the end of that week ngase ngibuya eflatini likamogayi but relax asizange siwenze umntamato sasiyoxoxa nje savumelana ukuthi hayi it's Thursday afternoon uthi ke thina ke emsebenzini mangabe kwama Fridays if the projects are going well siphuma ngabo 1 mangabe kuyi Friday uthi ngoba vele sasazi ukuthi the following day umuntu can even work from home or whatsoever and futhi siphuma early we decided to say Thursday night let us just have a young date uthi we went into his flat sa-order ukudla sahlala sakhuluma uthi hayi sakhuluma umuntu wakhuluma kwangazi ukuthi umuntu ofuna i-relationship uthi Malwandle kodwa ogcine kuphelela ngasekupheleni angikwazi noma bekuyiyo yini relationship naloko sekwenzeka manje angikwazi na ukuthi kubizwa ini igama lawo kodwa le yona into angeke ngiyiqede ku part 1 Malwandle watshela ama-life graduate ukuthi awangasuki kwi-screen ngoba ngiyeza no-part 2 futhi kunokwenzeka kube no-part 3 no-part 4 ngoba hayi akayi-create-anga umfana inhliziyo. Akayi-create-anga umfana inhliziyo Malandla. Uyi-create yeba zimvuthu bheka. Ebephezu kwayo eyithi nje abafana. Asihlangane ku-part what of what wale ndaba ngoba hayi umnikazi wayo uthe angikwazi ukuyixoxa yonke iphelele kodwa be rest assured lothi liphela leli viki izobe iphelele.